hands, your way of moving with grace, with no stress. I was sitting there thinking of what it could be to be in love. You must be sitting there waiting for me, longing for me. You must be sitting there, I am late already. I love to see his beautiful face and his hands, his way of moving with grace, with no stress. He must be sitting there, I can see him, my legs are shaking. Hello, how are you? I'm okay, I'm fine, thank you. What a beautiful day, the sky is blue. Hello, how do you do? Don't you know that I love you? These foolish things we say when we love